Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Pojavlauncher on iOS easy tutorial. First, to be able to begin, just go ahead and tweak the settings first onto your iOS device. So head on to settings, and here on general, click on background app refresh. Make sure this one is turned on and you have chosen Wi-Fi and cellular data for this. Right after, go back and find this one, the App Store. Make sure that automatic downloads are turned on onto your device. Right after that, head onto your browser, and here on browser, just search for Pojavlauncher. So you should be able to see this option here onto its site, which is the download button or install, and you'll just have to wait for this one to download. So you should be able to see the size for that, which is 110, and you'll just have to wait for this one to be done. Now, once done, you should be able to see something like this. You'll just have to allow the configuration for that, and once you see the profile is downloaded, just go ahead and head onto your settings app to review this. So head back, scroll up, and you should be able to see profile downloaded onto your settings. So we have Pojavlauncher in here. You'll just have to install this, enter your password, and then click on next. So you'll just have to click on install, and this should go ahead and install onto your device already. So right after that, you should be able to see Pojavlauncher installed onto your device. And before we end the video, don't forget to check the links in the description for extra tips and helpful resources just for you. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next videos.